Hi all, I'm Prasant Thakre. Welcome in the series of AWS Solution Architect Certification Exam Dump. Today I'm covering the most frequent questions and it has come multiple time in the previous AWS Solution Architect Certification exams. So let's jump on the question. Question says the company has a popular multiplayer mobile game hosted in its on-premise data center. So let's highlight the main point here. It is trying to say like that it is a multiplayer mobile game. It means there are the many users are accessing this one. Uh, the current infrastructure can no longer keep up with the demand and the company is considering to move the cloud. So basically here company is looking for more compute power and can handle more traffic. Which solutions should a solution architect recommend is the most scalable and cost-effective solution to meet these needs? So one thing is like that traffic is increasing. We need to make it scalable, and it must be cost-effective. So when we are talking about the cost effective, then we need to go for serverless kind of approach because in the AWS it's like pay as use kind of concept when you are not using the dedicated server for your application. So when we are talking about the cost effective, try to find out the answer which is related to the serverless. Let's jump on the options. A option is Amazon EC2 and an application load balancer. Yes, of course, application load balancer will help you to load the balance, and Amazon EC2 is required for more compute power. So this could be a right answer, but there is one more point here is the cost effective solution. So this is EC2 is expensive, it is not cost effective. So let's jump on the other option, Amazon S3 and Amazon CloudFront. So basically in that multiplayer mobile game, you need application, you need to have a business logic, and Amazon S3 cannot provide you to execute your business logic. So this is not the correct answer. So I'm marking it as wrong. Amazon EC2 and Amazon Elastic Transcoder. So transcoder is not helpful here because we are not transcoding anything like media or something. D is the, so I'm just marking it as wrong. D is the AWS Lambda and Amazon API gateway. So AWS Lambda is, yes, of course, it is most scalable, and it is also very cost effective. In another slide I have included that what is the cost per million request, because here user is trying, here it is question is trying to say like that we need to keep up the demand. It means traffic is very high, we need to fulfill the million requests, means like too many requests we need to fulfill. So this D option looks correct to me, and this is expensive, so I'm marking it as wrong. So all these three are the wrong. This is the correct answer. Amazon API gateway can help you for the security purpose, so that your call will be come from the Amazon API gateway. So it is a secured call will reach to your AWS Lambda. Let's jump on the other slides to know more about that, the pricing and AWS Lambda details and Amazon API gateway. So this is the pricing details where 1 million requests we are just paying $0.2, and this is the more detail about that, the duration in the every GB, like how many data is being used per second. So that is the charge, and this is the based on that memory AWS being charged to you per price per 100 millisecond. So you are charged 0.0016 per GB per GB second to compute time. Your Lambda, it is very cheap compared to the EC2 instances, and please note that AWS Lambda is most scalable in the AWS service. So this is the few more details about that, the gaming strategy, why we should use the AWS Lambda, and what is the advantage of using the Amazon API gateway. So here it is trying to say like that the benefits is like you are providing another layer of security and the protection to your backend services. And AWS Lambda, already I covered that it is most scalable and the most cost effective. Thanks a lot. That's all from